Hello! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to create invoice on Jobber. First, you have to make sure that you're logged into your Jobber account and head over to the left-hand menu, and now you will find invoices right here. And just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you can create your new invoice. Just click this button right here. And now select a client from the list or click new client if you're adding a new client or someone for the first time. And now, after choosing a client, you will see the job details if any jobs are linked. Review or add service line items. Click add item menu. Um, but if you already have your client, then just click that existing one. And then you will find this button right here which says add line item, and now you can include things like window cleaning or lawn mowing and so on. You can enter the price, the quantity, and tax if it is applicable. Make sure to double check everything, then scroll down and you will see this button right here, and you will either send or save draft if you are not ready yet. Your invoice will now appear in your list and you can track when it's sent, viewed, or paid. And that's it. You've just created an invoice in Jobber. And please like and subscribe if this video helped.